like a river. Love flows through me.
So this is the time of the morning when we set the tone to receive the message. So know that you stand on holy ground. Know that there is creativity within you that is ready to flow. Allow it to soar, to just soar to the greatest heights. My life shines because I'm a beacon of the Almighty. I have faith in the law. Everything in my life works through the law, just like the law of gravity. I live in beauty and grace. Faith is the most important thing in my life. Faith is the most important thing in my life. And so it is.
All right, God. Here we go. God is flowing like a river. Flows through me. God breathes me. God breathes me. God breathes me.